So I want to make a video about jacking up a car, and you would think that, wow, that should be an easy video. But then I started to think about it. Where do you jack up your car? And we have the common jack points. So let's talk about the common jack points. And then you have your alternative jack points, which are hard parts of the car. They could be either the front subframe or the rear subframe or the rear differential. It could be the frame rail of the car. I think that's it. But let's just talk about the common jack points. And if you have your owner's manual will tell you it should tell you exactly how to jack up your car and where to jack up your car. But just in case you don't, let's get down on the ground and look for the common jack points. On the ground, you're gonna look for something that looks like this. You see that? It's gonna look different. On the bottom of your car, you're gonna see something that looks like this. It's gonna be almost like a lip, right? A hardened lip. And there's gonna be some type of indentation. Either it can come down or it can go up. It can be curved up, concave this way, cave in, or it could be convex, or it could be down. And this is where you put your jack at, right? This is your jack point, okay? Or maybe this might look a little bit different, right? You see that? It looks a little bit different, huh? You see that? Look for 2 notches. 1, 2. You look along the lip, and if you see 2 notches, your jack goes right between that notch there. Okay. Now let's look at one more car. Let's look at the Mini Cooper. Because I think BMW, are you fucking kidding me?